Hey everybody, 11:40, 19 seconds, April 23rd, mini 4 for Detective 359. This one only has 15 spots. Okay, whoever comes in first place in this mini. I just realized I mistyped this. There should be 6 spots up for grabs, not just 5. I put in first place gets 3, second place gets 2. It should be first place gets 4, second place gets 2, as there are a total of 6 spots available. It was just a typo. I apologize. So again, first place is getting 4, second place is getting 2. They are filled in order of availability. Number is 12. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here's the final one. 12, Jeff Chastain gets 4, Manuel gets 2. Time is 11:41, 31.